Are you going to grow some rice?
Yes. No, not now. It's raining.
Why is it? Yeah, why is it raining?
There's a typhoon. It's the name Kabayan.
Really? You found the name?
Yeah.
How do you spell that?
K-A-B-A-Y-A-N.
Okay. Kabayan. Let's see. The last one was, what was after Odette?
Betty,
Element.
I think.
Oh.
Betty.
I thought it was in alphabetic order. The names of the, well, it was Odette or Ray, R-E-I. For some reason it had two names. And then after that was another one that didn't really do anything, right? Or at least not here. And now it's Kabayan. Do you know anything about the reason for the name?
Because it's alphabetical order.
Yeah, but K doesn't come after R and O. Wow, watch out
Well,
here.
probably there are some
Remember
typhoon
the
we
slip-
didn't know that get to...
No, that's true. Maybe it went around all the way around back to sea again.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, watch out. This is slippery there. Just don't, yeah. Maybe even slide your... Ray's got some people hiding over there, huh?
Getting harder.
The rain, yeah. Yeah, the color is really coming back there on that one. Oh, both of them. Uh-oh. There's already someone there. So we have to wait for them, I think? Or what? Yeah, that's what I thought with the typhoon. Well, let's see. Maybe they did something. I don't know. Let's take a look. Yeah. Oh, yeah. They got the intake and exhaust manifolds on. And the turbo's connected again. I made a little progress. Did they do the steering knuckle? Let's take a look. Yeah. No, they haven't replaced the steering knuckle yet. Even their store is closed, so I guess they're not doing anything today. Laying low. Here's your puppies. I think at least two things are for sure. We're not taking the Pajero to Cebu for Matet, but I already kind of expected that anyway. I didn't want to take it that far on a maiden voyage anyway, especially with the radiator and alternator not repaired. So, looks like rental car it is. We've got a Mitsubishi MONERO waiting for us on the other side. The people who are renting the vehicle are going to drop it off at the port so we can go directly from the ferry to the car and head out. That'll be nice. Okay, guess that's that for today. See you later, Pajero.
He's coming down.
And? Oh, is his motorcycle blocking?
Yeah. Ito kuya.
Uh-oh. It's only 1/3. Maybe even less. Gray. Aw, you just like to hang out here, don't you? Well, you're not a house chicken. You want to be a house chicken, don't you? We let you in, but you're going to poop all over, just like Mommy just said. So just for those who haven't seen yet, here's our water filter system. One of the more annoying things about living in a third world countries, you have to drink filtered water. So we've installed this. So again, this is a, there's one of these is carbon, one is a micron filter, and then we have the UV ultraviolet. There's a pre-filter here for the larger stuff, and then there's another filter in the tank for stuff about the size of a grain of sand, I would say. And then this is like, I don't know, I don't remember, 10 or 15 micron or something, and then this is even smaller, and then carbon. So yeah, so anyway, got a switch here, and then got a valve here. Yeah, better aim that correctly. Okay, like so. Make sure that's closed, and then slowly open this guy. You have to do little by little so it can build pressure. If you open it too fast, then it doesn't like it. And there you go. Fresh drinking water. No more lugging bottles up and down the hill. Meanwhile, Marina Barbie over here got another little surprise. Why do I need to buy you things when you always buy things for yourself?
Because you don't order me. Well, I can't. Where's the season?
As usual, people take things out of the house and they don't come back. So I don't know where the scissors are.
You wanna see this?
Of course. Oh.
The top.
Yeah, that's definitely a Barbie top. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it's so... you know what size is this? XXS.
And it still looks almost maybe too big.
It's the size for mine.
Yeah, but you can always stitch it. And then... Okay, so that was about 3 minutes, I would say. And all full. Yeah. And then I leave the pump going for a while, so the UV is already working on the next batch of water. Kill the bacteria. Put a little cap on there. And put the cap on the water. All done.
You wanna see stockings?
Wow.
This is the most expensive stockings I've ever bought.
How much are they?
200 plus, 270 something.
Okay, so about $5.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, I like the...
Those are fancy.
I like the bling.
Mm-hmm. But it's always these that fall off over time. But
Not really.
yeah, sometimes. Anyway,
Sometimes
looks cool.
they tangle though. Tangle together.
Oh, some knee highs. That'll come in handy.
I like the the material.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not like the cheap ones that's like so easy to
Oh, yeah.
to get.
Oh, boy.
This is for you. Hmm?
Nice.
Ta-da!
Very good, babe. Good taste. Nice. Yeah, that's looks like almost half of an outfit already. Hmm?
I've got to get more of these because I lost my stuff like this.
Yeah, I still have no idea where that went.
And another one.
I'm sure once we get a dresser and organize this stuff, we'll probably find them. Nice.
You know how much I love socks. Oh.
Ah, there we go. There we go.
Small size.
Yeah.
Is it small
Cool.
for me?
No, it looks just right, actually. Perfect. Yep, that's going to be a heck of an outfit.
I know you don't like this, but I still bought it because I'm so in love with this.
Mm-hmm.
Because it has bling bling.
Oh yeah. This is a bikini.
Mm-hmm.
Where's the bottom?
This one.
Okay.
And this one.
Yeah, obviously that one's more exciting. Yeah. The black one is kind of...
And Care Bear.
So do you want to explain why you bought so many socks?
Do you know why?
Yeah, well, you told me already, but
Okay.
people watching don't know.
Good. I bought many socks because whenever I go out, I'm so insecure about my legs now. So I wanna cover it up. But on the beach, probably I'm gonna keep sun on this, so they...
Actually, no.
No?
You don't want sun on developing skin, no.
Why?
I don't know. We'll have to research more about that. I'm not totally sure. I know you don't want sun on scar tissue, but that's not scar tissue. But I think you want to wait a while. I don't know. We'll check.
We can
We'll
wait a
research
while.
anyway. But yeah, so she got those because of the scars there. But I think it's going to be okay after a while, babe. It's just going to take time. So that's why she bought a bunch of socks. Cool. So what bottom are you going to wear with that one? Like the pink and black plaid skirt?
Maybe. Or
You don't have an idea already?
not yet.
Okay. All right. There you have it.
Thank you.
Hmm.
Thank you, baby.
Uh-huh.
1978.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take it off.
Yeah, those pads are silly. Okay, so yeah, by the way, I realized that when I went to look at the Pajero, after getting home, I realized it was lunchtime. So that's maybe why nobody was there.
Yeah.
1:30-ish.
Oh boy, this is so cute.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Perfect. So what goes with that? For
And
bottom.
a pink skirt like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you know, the one with the gumballs in it.
It's already broken.
Is it? Oh, that's too bad. That would have been perfect. I'm sure you have more. Nice.
Is it good?
It's not good. It's great.